Welcome to this technical guide on the Acer N19H2. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Acer N19H2 won't turn on, you're not alone. This issue can stem from a variety of problems, such as a faulty power supply, a drained battery, or internal hardware malfunctions. If left unaddressed, it could lead to further damage, making repairs more complicated and costly. To get started, you will need a few tools. Make sure you have a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a replacement battery if necessary, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to the components. First, ensure your device is completely powered off and unplugged. Begin by carefully using the plastic opening tool to pry open the back cover of the Acer N19H2. Take your time and be gentle to avoid breaking any clips or damaging the casing. Once the back cover is off, locate the battery and the power connector. If the device still doesn't turn on, the issue may lie with the power connector or the motherboard. To check this, gently disconnect the battery and any cables connected to the power input. Be mindful of the screws, they can be small and require a delicate touch. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws holding the power connector in place. Remember to keep track of these screws, a magnetic mat can be very helpful. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After replacing the faulty component, reassemble the device by reversing the steps. Start by reconnecting the cables, ensuring they are secured and not pinched. Then, replace the screws in the same holes they came from. Once everything is back in place, attach the back cover and press down firmly to snap it into position. Now, plug in your device and attempt to power it on. If it powers up successfully, congratulations! You completed the repair. To prevent this problem from recurring, regularly check your device's battery health and avoid letting it drain completely. Keeping the software up to date can also help in maintaining optimal performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.